Quicker Professional Powerful Hairdryer, 1175 watt powerful and 110,000 RPM high-speed motor. Faster than other traditional lightweight hairdryers. 200 million negative ions and smart heat sensor. Intelligent heat sensor monitors temperature 1000 times per second. These ions reduce night statics, safeguarding your hair from damage. Suitable for all hair types. It ensures your style stays frizz-free. 3-level speed: gentle, medium, fast. 3-level heat: room temp diffusing, warm fast drying, hot ultra fast drying. Ultra quiet at just 58 dB. It's perfect for families with babies and pregnant women.